Hello. In this video, I will show you how to configure and use the Forgot Password feature in ARMember. Let's go to the ARMember Manage Forms page. This is the Manage Forms page. From here, you can create and manage forms. Now let's edit the default set form. This is the default set form page. Here you can see the default login, forgot password, and change password forms. From here, you can also hide the forgot password link from the login form. Now let's go to the front-end login page. This is the ARMember login page. Enter the username and an incorrect password, then click the login button. As you can see, an invalid password message is displayed because you entered an incorrect password. Now click the Lost Your Password link. As you can see, the Forgot Password pop-up has opened. Enter your username or email address, then click the Submit button. Your password reset link has been sent to your email address. Now let's go to the back end and open the email notifications page. This is the email notifications page. Under the default standard section, let's edit the Forgot Password notification. This is the Forgot Password notification page. From here, you can edit the email subject and content for Forgot Password emails. Now let's check the email received by the member. As you can see, this is the Forgot Password email. Click the Password Reset link. You will be redirected to the Reset Password page. Enter the new password and confirm password, then click the Submit button. As you can see, the password has been reset successfully. Now click the Login Now button, enter the username and password, then click the Login button. As you can see, the member has logged in successfully. That's it. This is how you can configure and use the Forgot Password feature in ARMember.
Thank you for watching our video. Please subscribe to our channel.